Safe to go to the store, buy some off, and treat your children and hope for the best.
A Vidor family is taking precautions against the West Nile virus. A man in Orange County has become the first person in the Golden Triangle with a confirmed case of the virus. Good evening, everyone. I'm Bill Leger.
And I'm Kelly Phillips. Thank you for joining us. Orange County is confirming its first human case of the West Nile virus this year. A 42-year-old Vidor man was infected on or about August 1st. He started developing flu-like symptoms a week later. It's a milder form of the virus. The man was not hospitalized and has since recovered. Health experts say 1 out of every 5 people bitten by a mosquito with West Nile gets sick. 6 News anchor Ashley Gaston spoke with a family who never leaves home without their insect repellent.
3-year-old Charles Stevenson is used to getting insect repellent on his arms, legs, neck, and face. His father, Jonathan, says they don't take any chances when it comes to mosquito bites.
They just get the redness and the swelling, and and of course they constantly itch them, so you try to prevent that.
The Stevenson family enjoys Claiborne Park in Vidor in the middle of the day when there aren't any mosquitoes. But the family often sees lots of mosquitoes at their home in North Vidor.
Our kids always play in the yard in the evening time, in the morning times, but we have to use a lot of off and stuff like that.
To Stevenson, mosquito repellent is a cheap way to avoid the West Nile virus.
We do our part to carry our insurance, but it doesn't mean necessarily that we'd like to use it. So sometimes an ounce of prevention is worth more than a pound of cure.
Repellent with DEET is just one way to prevent mosquito bites. Health officials say it is important to remove any standing water around your home to prevent mosquitoes from reproducing. Dress in pants and long sleeves when walking in mosquito-infested areas.
This is an area that's prone to a lot of mosquitoes, and it's just kind of something you got to live with.
The Stevenson family says they can commingle with the blood-sucking insects, but they will do their part to avoid getting bitten. In Vidor, Ashley Gaston, KFDM 6 News.
Mosquitoes in Orange and Jefferson counties have tested positive for the virus. The Orange County Mosquito Control District is doing more spraying in the western part of the county.
The large number of West Nile cases across the state is prompting the Port Arthur City Council to take action. Council members passed an ordinance they hope will curb the illegal dumping of old tires. Tires hold standing water that makes for fertile ground for mosquitoes to reproduce. The ordinance will require new and used tire dealerships to tag their tires so city officials can trace the tires back to the place that dumped them. A Port Arthur tire shop owner thinks it's a good idea.
I think it's a great idea, and it takes care of the city of having old rubbish around the city and keeps the city clean.
We're trying to do our part as far as protecting our community from the West Nile disease with the illegal dunking of tires and giving a breeding ground for the West Nile mosquito, but the citizens have to do their part.
And city administrators plan to meet with tire shop owners in Port Arthur to make them aware of the new rules.